In this video, I'm going to show you how to add drop shadow in Photopea. We will first look at how to apply a drop shadow to an entire image or shape, and then we will go through the process of adding a drop shadow only to a specific object inside an image that already has a background. To begin with adding a drop shadow to a full image or shape, head over to your canvas and locate the layer you want to apply the shadow to in the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. Once you have selected the correct image or shape layer, right-click on it and choose the Blending Options option from the menu. This will open a new window where you can control different visual effects for that layer. Inside the Blending Options window, find and enable the Drop Shadow option. As soon as you select it, you will see a shadow appear behind your image or shape. From here, you can fully customize how the shadow looks. You can adjust the opacity to control how dark or light the shadow appears. You can change the angle to decide the direction in which the shadow is cast. You can also increase or decrease the distance to control how far the shadow sits away from the object. The spread option allows you to make the shadow stronger and more intense, while the size option controls how soft or blurry the shadow edges appear. Once you are satisfied with the settings, click on OK, and the drop shadow will be applied to your image or shape. Now let's talk about adding a drop shadow to a specific object inside an image that already has a background. To do this properly, start by selecting the image layer from the Layers panel and duplicating it by right-clicking and choosing Duplicate Layer. With the duplicated layer selected, you now need to extract the object you want to add the shadow to. Click on the Magic Wand tool from the left-hand toolbar, then from the top menu, click on Select Subject. Photopea will automatically detect and select the main object in your image. If the selection is not very accurate the first time, you can click Select Subject again to refine it. If you are using the free version, you may be required to watch an ad before the selection completes. Once the object is selected properly, make sure the correct layer is active and click on the Add Mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. This will isolate the object from the background. After that, right-click on the same layer again, open Blending Options, and enable Drop Shadow. Adjust the shadow settings just like before. For example, if you want the shadow to appear below the object, set the angle to 90 degrees, then fine-tune the opacity, distance, spread, and size until the shadow looks natural and clean. Click OK to apply the effect, and the drop shadow will appear only on the selected object. And this is how you can add drop shadow in Photopea.